Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about compounded annually. So now I will show you how to answer. What payment made at the end of each 6 months for 13 years will accumulate to 10,900 US dollars at 11% compounded annually. So now I will show you how to answer. This one that is about future value. Now I will draw the diagram in here. So at the beginning we have number 0. Here is about year number 1. Here is about year number 2. And this is about year number 13. So each 6 months in here. That means after 6 months, if we count from the year number 0 to here, so we have one payment that will go to the year number 13. Similar for year number 1, they go in here. This one go in here. And so on. After we sum all the value in here, you got about 10,900. And this is about future value. The question they want to find about C. That's about the compounds in here. All the values they are same. Now we have the formula. We have future value we put in here. And we will have about 1 plus R. That's about interest rate. We divide by N. How many times in 1 year? And we have T multiplied by N minus 1 over R over N. Now we just put the value in here. The future value, that's about this one, 10,900. Next, about R, we have 11%. And should be about number 2 because every 6 months, that means in 1 year we have 2 times of 6 months. That means N equal to number 2. So we put number 2 go in here. T, we have 13 years. We put number 13 multiplied by number 2 minus number 1. Then we divide by 11% over number 2. So we calculate about this one. And we got 198.30. And this is the final answer we need to find. And we put about US dollars in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.